Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be re-attempting to correct the front bumper. So last time I worked on the front bumper, I was able to fix the center part, but as you can see right now on the sides, they're still both pretty far off. So I'm going to see if I can tackle these to bring it back in and closer. So first thing I'm going to do is open up the trunk, which actually I have open here. So I'm going to open it up and I'm going to attempt to bring both sides up and in. I took all the screws off of this side, so now this can move a little bit more freely. So the issue is that this needs to come, I guess up? It needs to go inwards. That's the least part. Okay, so I moved this bracket hopefully up and in. So let's see if that has helped it. Okay, well, this is bowed out a little bit. That, I think, in there would be good. So this needs to come. So this needs to move back, this out, and that. Okay, so. This to move, right? So we're gonna try and do this the best I can. So we're gonna take this here and then basically bring up one side. Alright everybody, unfortunately that's going to be the end of today's video. As you can see, I would say fixed it about 80% of the way. So the main way that I got this in to line up is by taking that bracket which the top of the bumper sits on, pulling it, manipulating it until it would line up here. I still need a little bit to go up a little bit more on that end right there, so that one lines up perfect. But so far so good. Another thing I did to adjust kind of the height of everything is the hood rests on like a little bracket right here. You can move that up and down. I moved it down so it would sit lower, and that seemed to help a lot. Now, fortunately, I'm running out of time. Like I said, daylight it's gone actually. It's nighttime, so I can't record right now. So anyway, I'm gonna continue to work on this. I'm gonna get it just a lot better. But that's basically how you do it. You just have to sit here and spend a while meticulously moving that bracket up, down, left, right, whichever way, and then figuring out the height for this bracket and this little strut and the same one on the other side. But anyway, that's how I did it. That's how you guys can do it if you want. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, share, all of the above if you like this content and want to help me out. That'd be great. But I will, in the next video, I'll show you how much better this is than anything. But anyway, thank you guys once again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.